Actually, when I was younger, my secondary school teacher actually told me that I might have a reading writing disability. All the P, M, B, like N's, all those letters will just come out in a composition, right? And it's hard to tell them apart. So I struggle. I still face these type of problems in my current projects that requires me to write. My mom was the sole breadwinner for the family. To maybe help out my mom, like I picked up like a couple of part-time jobs here and there. Challenges with like work, CCAs and like study at the same time. I do shift, right, and it's just 12 hours. Some slots where the next day I have school, so I'll be heading to like lab and doing my work. Having a 4-hour break period, that will be my nap time. Cram in school until 9 o'clock, until the studio closes to do my work. Then I will have less time to actually work to earn myself money for food. Throughout the 3 years in SP that I have, I received about 5 bursaries. The bursaries I received, it eased my financial burdens that I have been facing. It made me enjoy poly life a bit more as like a normal student, so I don't need to work as much as I did. And I have time for a lot of other activities for myself, such as CCAs. And I actually wanted to expand my skill sets a bit more. So since I was interested in animation, right, I joined DDA and fell in love with 3D modeling. I really enjoy it, a lot because of my classmates and friends, also because of my lecturers like Mr. M, Mr. Dennis also. They treat us like friends, have just casual conversations throughout the day.